Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I will start second chapter, animal tissue. So look at your book. In the previous lesson, you have learned that a tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and perform similar function. You have also learned about different types of plant tissue. Let us now learn about animal tissue. Animal tissues are classified on the basis of the type of cell, amount of intercellular material, and their function. So basically, animal tissue are classified on the basis of the type of cell. Those are amount of intercellular material and their function. There are four basic types of animal tissue. They are epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue. First, epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is made up of continuous layer of cell that covers the outer surface of the body as well as the lining of internal organ. So basically, epithelial tissue are found in the outer body surface as well as the lining of the internal organ. For example, the outer layer of the skin, inner lining of the blood vessels, and all organs such as the stomach, intestine, and windpipe are form of epithelial tissue. So student, you have to learn the location of epithelial tissue and example. So basically, epithelial tissue are found in the outer surface of the body as well as the inner lining of the internal organ. Example, outer layer of the skin, inner lining of the blood vessel, all organs such as the stomach, intestine, and windpipe are form of epithelial tissue. The cells of this tissue are closely packed together with no intercellular space or substance. So in case of epithelial tissue, the intercellular space or substance is negligible because the tissues basically are consist of closely packed cell. The shape of the cells may be flat, irregular, cuboidal, or columnar. On the basis of the shape of the cell, epithelial tissue are classified into three types. So basically on the basis of shape के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हुए epithelial tissue classified into three types: squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, and cuboidal epithelium. Squamous epithelium. In surface view, the cells of squamous epithelium appear flat, hexagonal, or irregular in shape. So squamous epithelium cell basically flat, hexagonal, or irregular in shape. These cells line the inner walls of the blood vessels, lungs, heart, and esophagus. So student, this line is very important. You will learn carefully. Basically, squamous epithelium cells are found in the inner lining of blood vessels, lungs, heart, and esophagus. They also form the epidermis of the skin, so the outer layer of the body, that is epidermis, whereas the squamous epithelium cell is found, where they provide protection and prevent the entry of the germs. So what is the function of squamous epithelium? The squamous epithelium provide the protection and prevent the entry of the germs. Next, columnar epithelium. In surface view, the length of the cell of columnar epithelium appears much more than their width. So columnar epithelium appear much more than their width. लेंथ के हिसाब से वाइड बहुत ज़्यादा है. The cells are placed side by side like columns. So cell placed side by side like a column. क्योंकि लेंथ के हिसाब से उन लोगों का वाइड ज़्यादा है. The nucleus is present towards the base of the cell. Nucleus जो है सेल का नीचे की तरफ मतलब बेसमेंट की तरफ रहता है. These cells are found in the lining of the stomach, intestines and pharynx. So the location is very important. So student be careful about the location. कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? तो columnar epithelium is found in the inner lining of stomach, intestine and pharynx. Next, cuboidal epithelium. In surface view, the height of the cells of cuboidal epithelium appears almost equal to its width, such that its side views gives a square appearance. So in case of cuboidal epithelium, the shape of the cells is basically square. The nucleus is centrally located. Nucleus cell के बीचों बीच रहता है. They are found in the thyroid gland, kidney tubules, salivary glands, pancreas and liver. So basically called cuboidal epithelium cell are found in the inner lining of thyroid gland, kidney tubules, salivary glands, pancreas and liver. Next, the function of epithelium tissue. Epithelial tissue is protective tissue. It covers the outer surface of the body and forms the inner lining of the organs. Thus, it protects the body and the organs from injury, entry of germs, and so on. So basically, epithelial tissue are found in the epidermal way, matlab outer covering of the body. That's why it provides the protection from internal or outer injury and the prevent the entry of germs. In salivary and gastric gland, the epithelial tissue is specialized to secrete enzyme and that help in the digestion of food. Next, certain epithelial cell lining the small intestine absorb nutrients from the digested food. तो कुछ epithelial cell जो है, the lining of small intestine absorb nutrients from the digested food. So certain epithelial cell absorb nutrients from the digested food into the small intestine. Epithelial tissue in the sweat gland and kidney helps to remove waste product from the body. So whereas epithelial tissue also help to remove the waste product from the body like sweat gland and kidney. So student, I hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.